sabihin na, ano ba itong DPWH? Yung kalsadang ito, matibay pa, maganda pa, binubungkal na. Tapos yung sirang-sira na kalsada doon, hindi ginagawa, hindi inaayos.
It is actually preventive maintenance and reconstruction yung pinag-uusapan po natin dito. Kasi there is a point when the road starts to deteriorate and it would be more economical actually to undertake yung preventive maintenance. Kaya yung medyo maganda-ganda pa ang tingin ninyo, but actually the pavement starts to deteriorate. So it will be more economical actually to repave it at that point in time so that we can save actually yung base and sub-base. Hindi na ho na natin gagalawin yung base and sub-base. It's just the pavement that we're going to replace. Yung sa mga kwan ho naman, yung talagang deteriorated and bumagsak na po yung base and sub-base, that's going to be reconstructed po. So it's going to take yung mas malaking rehabilitation, reconstruction ang gagawin doon. So, yun po lang yung may explain namin in layman's term.
I think law student pa lang ako, sumulat na ako sa letter to the editor dyan sa Inquirer. I think it was the time of Bihilar. Nakita ko kasi sa Marikina, ganda pa yung daan sinsira na. So, and I was also, the answer was also a very technical answer. So, na mahirap paniwalaan eh. I mean, it goes against the inputs of our senses, di ba? Kita na mata mo, ayos ba? Sasabihin sa'yo, senses, ilalim bulok na yan. And yet, may nakita ka man na tunay na bulok na, hindi naman ina-actionan. So, siguro this shows the different levels of vigilance among your people, Secretary. Why? And can you explain? Wala ba kayong circular dyan to tell everybody na this is the flow chart? Ganito pa lang, gawin nyo na, check nyo na.
We now have a good inventory of the conditions of the roads and the bridges as well, Your Honor. So, we have a pavement management system na, which tells us actually what is now the condition of the road, yung sa bridges.